I joined the Navy in 1981. I served 6 years as an electronics technician on board a Spruance-class destroyer out of San Diego. During that time, I was disabled. I got shocked with 20,000 volts. I got out of the Navy, went into business for myself. In 2020, I was retired. I was introduced to Heroes to Hives. The Heroes to Hive program is 9 months long. It takes you step by step through the process of how to work with bees, how to keep bees properly. There's a sense of camaraderie with other veterans that are doing the same thing that you are. I've got several disabilities from the military. Injured my back, I've got bad feet, the electrocution. So I have to be really careful how I do things now. Missouri AgrAbility put me in contact with rehab services for the blind. They learned that with my back injury, I needed something more adaptive. The rehab services for the blind was able to grant me 6 Slovenian hives. With the Slovenian hives, I'll be able to take only 1 frame at a time instead of having to lift 60 to 80 pounds at a time. The Slovenian hives are going to allow me to beekeep into my 80s if God lets me walk this earth that long. So absolutely, the Slovenian hives will keep me in beekeeping longer. I have PTSD, severe PTSD. I thought the world was wrong and I was right. And I thought I was out in the middle of the ocean in a little rowboat all by myself. But then I started hearing other guys and gals talk about the same things that I was dealing with. And I realized that I'm not alone. It was a wake-up call for me. But it was refreshing, the fact that other people had the same feelings, the same thoughts, and that there is light at the end of the tunnel. With my PTSD, I had a void, and beekeeping has filled that void. And it's probably saved my life.